Hey everyone, this is Hans with Kura Home. We are a quarterly routine maintenance company and air duct cleaning company. We're out here at our client's house today helping them with 30 items on their list. One of those is ceiling fans. One of the things that we do for our clients, twice a year we clean the ceiling fan blades, and then seasonally we change the direction of it. So I'm not sure if you're aware of it, but ceiling fans are designed to be changed fall and then again in spring. For the winter season, you want to have the blade shifting, spinning clockwise. Summer, you want to have it spinning counterclockwise. So if you come in here, you can see that there's actually a little switch on your ceiling fan there. That's how you control the direction of your ceiling fan. So again, in the winter, you want it spinning clockwise. Summer, you want it spinning counterclockwise. Reach out to us if you have any questions on any of the routine maintenance jobs in your house, or if you would like to get an estimate on having us take care of your home for you.